Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make hash brown casserole. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time being with us though, do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make hash brown casserole, so let's drop down in here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got 2 pounds of frozen hash browns, 1 stick of butter, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 3 cups of sour cream, about a half of an onion, we're going to dice that up, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and a little salt and pepper. That's all there is to it. Let's start doing our prep. Alright, I have got our onion. I'm going to just cut half of it because that's all we're going to use. And we're going to dice this up. Have that ready to go off to the side. Got our bowl. I'm just gonna hit these are 1 pound and 4 ounces. So I'm just gonna take 8 ounces out of this. 2 bags here. Or actually leave 8 ounces. Which is about a half a pound. So there we go. I'll have that for breakfast one morning. Got our hash browns right there. I'm going to go ahead and pop in our onion, hit it with a little salt and pepper. And our cheese. Now before I add the wet ingredients, I just want to mix these up with the dry ingredients so we don't have a bunch of clumps in there when we introduce the wet ingredients and try to stir those up. Alright, so we got our can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to go ahead and just add that right in there. 3 cups of sour cream. 1, 2, and 3. Our melted butter. I'm going to go half right now. We're going to mix this all up. With our hand, because that's just the way you're supposed to do it. I am going to hit it with a little salt and pepper again. And mix it again. Alright, I've got an aluminum pan that I can just throw away after we eat all of this, so I don't need to wash dishes. I'm spraying it with a little food release. Then you're just going to take your casserole and you're just going to put it right into the pan. Salt and pepper. Oven has been preheated to 350. We're just going to put this right into the oven, bake it for 50 minutes, see what it looks like. Alright, there it is. 56 minutes later, I have got a nice casserole here. What we're going to do now is take some gorgeous pictures of it for social media. We're going to put those pictures into the timeline, some really groovy music, then we're going to come back and give this a taste. So enjoy the pictures and the music. Alright, this is a nice little culinary still life shoot. These potatoes look fantastic, along with this ham and the green beans. So I'm going to give it a little taste and see what it tastes like. Still a little bit of crunch to those potatoes. That creaminess of the sour cream and that creamy chicken soup. And of course that cheese in there. Have to try the ham too. This is really, really good. That's all I'm going to tell you. Thanks a lot for watching. We made a hash brown casserole. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlist I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.